Today, we are diving deep into the bra cup. Ever wondered what's really inside this little structured part? Well, we are about to find out. This one has a light foam padding super common in everyday bras. The foam helps with shape, smoothness under clothes, and a little lift too. Now, we're going to remove the underwire along with the wire casing. If you haven't seen what's inside the casing yet, make sure to check out the video linked at the top of the screen. Next, we're removing the center front part, the wing section and shoulder strap of the bra. Now, I'm going to remove the outer lace fabric. This layer is mostly for design and adds a decorative touch to the bra's appearance. After separating the outer layer, we're left with the molded foam bra cup. Let's take a closer look inside. It feels like there might be something more than just foam in there. I'm going to try cutting it with a knife blade first, but it's not that easy. So instead, let's switch to scissors. They'll work better for this part. Whoa, liquid just came out. Oops, what is that? Looks like I accidentally cut open a hidden cookie packet inside the molded cup. Don't panic, this is completely normal. What you're seeing is just a gel or cookie packet inside the molded cup. Manufacturers use this to enhance the shape and support of the bra, so nothing to worry about. Now, let's try to carefully remove the gel pack from inside the molded cup, so we can take a closer look at it. It's not as easy as we thought. The gel pack is well attached inside the cup, probably to keep it from shifting during use. Don't worry, bras have two cups. Let's try to remove the gel pack from the other cup, but this time more carefully. Finally, I got it out. The gel pack is really soft to the touch, and it actually has more volume than the liquid inside suggests. When you squeeze it, the liquid moves around freely inside. It's designed to shift and adjust with movement. I believe most ladies might not be aware of this hidden detail inside their bras. We can't see this kind of construction in every bras. It depends on the design and purpose. But I hope this video gave you at least a few new insights into how bras are made and what's really inside. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.